Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the Z-Force Sport 4 from CFMOTO. We've just installed the RYCO turn signal / street legal kit on it. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it looks. On the lever itself, it's just like in your car. Down will be left. It does tie up into the dash. Looks really nice. Absolutely love that. You can see the amber flashing nice and bright there on the headlight assembly. That is the stock headlight assembly. And here on the tail light, it's going to illuminate all those bright LEDs in the back. Very nice, very nice. It does come with a mount to mount up the plate, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. You do have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that lever. All four corners are flashing. Very nice, very nice. For those of you here in Utah, the only thing you'll need to add on top of the RYCO street legal kit are two mirrors, one on each side. The driver will do it. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We've got this kit in stock, ready to ship. To release the four-way hazard, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button's integrated right into the end. Let us know what you think. Have a great day, everybody.